Yeah, dude, he was like acting so lame. I thought he needed his mommy to comfort him because of all his lameness. Yeah, why is he even on the football team if he cannot even catch a little piece of brick? I know, right? Yeah, that was just so awkward. He was even trying to impress her. What a failure.
How wonderful.
So, dude, do you like know that weird nerdy girl cow person that like no one's friends with? Yeah, she's like lame. Oh, like, duh. Remember that time when she tripped over someone's foot and landed into a bowl of ketchup? That was priceless. Remember when everyone was just talking about her? She is the lamest person ever.
You said it, man.
Yeah.
Ugh. Why did you have to do that?
So like, guys, what is like up with her now? Did she like do something even more humiliating? 'Cause that I would want to know.
Yeah, dude. Just the little talk going around the school. People says
She's got a crush on you. Ooh, a nerd, a princess got a crush on you. You're gonna become the prince of her dreams, man? Ew, dude, that would be disgusting. Plus, she's so ugly. I prefer cows that have rose brown patches instead of those ugly brown, well, patches. Plus, her eyes are so ugly. I prefer them to be like, you know, prettier. Also, well, her hair is just, well, lame. Dude, like, what if she gets a makeover to like match your dream girl, well, depiction? Well, yeah, I'd probably date her then, but not until after she ditches her nerdiness. I cannot stand looking at her with those books. Those pages are like a disease, man, a disease.
I know what I must do.